Now, Sia Goyal, while searching for ways to kill her fiance Ketan Agarwal, had searched are women beaten up in police station before the murder. Now, these are some of the details as to how Sia Goyal had taken clues from the Sonam Raghuvanshi case and prepared and planned meticulously to kill Ketan Agarwal. Shweta, what are the other things that Sia had searched?
Right, Kriti. In fact, since the time the device got confiscated and the data recovery was done by the advanced forensic team, several details which are shocking yet alarming have surfaced from the beginning, talking about the slow poison, searching about the slow poison, till searching to the extent of are women beaten up in the police custody. So clearly, we understand that Sia's the mindset was very clear that she wants to kill Ketan Agarwal because she never wanted to get married to him. Part two here is very important to understand that yes, there was some kind of fear in her mind. What if she gets arrested? So she had all the thoughts in running across her mind that if she gets arrested, what are the consequences? So one can clearly understand that she was well prepared for the consequences as well. Now, Sia searching are women beaten up in the custody is something, which talks about her mindset that if she gets arrested, if she is exposed by police, now what will happen to her is something she was well prepared of. In fact, Kriti, let's understand how body language, her gesture while she was coming out of the custody, while she was taken to the medical, or while she was taken up to the Lohagarh fort for the crime scene recreation. Several times her gestures, her body language, her confidence was being talked about. But Sia's mindset was well prepared in advance. Even before she got arrested, she had such disturbing search history on the internet. And when police, in fact, recovered the data, in fact, this is very disturbing and shocking to see the kind of references what Sia was looking at.
Absolutely. Right, Shweta, stay on with me. We're also getting some additional details from the investigation now. Now, as per investigation, we are also picking up that Sia and Chetan Chaudhary had together watched crime shows, including episodes of Crime Patrol before they carried out the murder, to understand how police investigations are carried out and they could avoid detection. Right, Shweta, talk to us about the evidence now that police have collected, including these details and others that are going to tighten police case against Sia and Chetan.
Right, Kriti. In fact, while we were in Pune reporting about this particular case from the scratch and every minute details we were reporting, we were speaking to other police sources. Kriti, believe me, during that time also police was very much surprised by Sia's age and the deeds what she was continuously doing. And during the interrogation, the kind of answers what the police had got, it surprised them. And we have been seeing that how brazenly, in fact, Sia was ready to carry out this kind of execution of killing Ketan Agarwal. With this, now it was not just Sia, but also Chetan Chaudhary. They both together, in fact, the duo started watching crime shows to understand that what exactly happens in police custody, what is meant by investigation, and what happens in the interrogation, what kind of questions do police ask. So remember the kind of mindset the both had before even executing such plan. And they were sure enough that even if they get arrested, what is going to happen, and to get the reference and to get the video or the visual reference of it, they started watching crime shows. And here they got to know, okay, the kind of question will be put up to us, how to dodge those questions. Remember, initially why Sia was being evasive and then manipulative in her answers was because of the reference she had taken, that how police usually carry out their investigation and what questions are being put up during the interrogation. So clearly we understand that it was not just one planning and one hatching of the alleged killing of Ketan Agarwal, but also what's going to be beyond that, how she will be treated later on, and what happens in police custody. So we can understand that how 360-degree this 20-year-old Sia Goel wanted to be prepared before facing the police.
Absolutely. Shweta, thank you very much for joining us, and now viewers, moving ahead.